Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Kinera BD005 Pro and I'm going to show you how and where can you find your user manual. The first way is just to search on the internet. Kinera BD005 Pro user manual. Now we have to search, and as you can see, there are a lot of pages, websites where you can find your user manual. If you can't find on the internet, there's a second option. You can search in the box, because there is one. We have to open our box, take out our social medias and remove our case. It's sometimes difficult because it's not fitable. And now, as you can see, BD005 Pro. It's in Chinese, I think, but on the other side there is in English. It's quite long, but as you can see, BD005 Pro user manual. You can use Zoom or something like that. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.